This is an Endura Max that I cold started in the middle of winter. Now I'm going to dismantle it and clean it. When you wash the filter out, make sure you put it out in the sun or on some heat to dry, because you want it fully dry, this filter. And even the turbines had dust in there. You get more suction out of it when you clean that. Bunch of screws here. Down there, one there. There, it's off. I remember putting the belt on. You don't want to wash this in the water. You want to get all the hair and stuff off of it. And right in here is where hair piles up and the bearings won't spin properly. But this one here is smooth. See this one here? Yeah, this one here could use a little bit of oiling. See the hair? That's what's stopping it from spinning properly. And I'll use a wire brush on it. These little plastic pieces here will come off. So yeah. And you might want to mark all the screws on there, because they might not be all the same. So what I'm going to do on these here, I'm going to put the screws back in there. And we can disconnect the hose right here. And there, this just comes apart now. And we can take this plastic piece off. One screw right there. Oh, there's more. No. Oh, something's holding in here. It's just sticky. Oh, that piece is off. And I'll put the screw back right there. To wash this, I don't even have to take this off. So I'll put those two screws back in, which go here and there. Now I'm going to take the handle off, and that's how it usually comes when it's brand new. The handle's not even attached. These two screws right in here, there's one here, one there, have to come off as well. Here, there's 2 tabs, one on either side. These tabs are just, that was a click. Let's see what it came off all right. Now I'm going to take the casing off the motor. Start with these screws, a whole bunch of them. This bracket, I don't think I have to take that off. That's that half. You don't want to wash that in water though. This part you can. And I'm going to disconnect either the wiring or the switch. To release the wire, there's a little pin right there you got to push in and then pull the wire off at the same time. It's like a safety. And I engraved the W for white. And then undo the blue one. See, it's locked in. Push it in there and pull it out. Well, I'm starting to clean everything. I got all that to clean also. I got everything washed, just letting it dry in the sun. And that filter you got to give extra care to get it completely dry. And the motor, you can get Q-tips and put it in there and clean that.